So they saw that I was doing that on my own, and Scotto reached out to me on Facebook. And
Facebook is where. So it happened on Facebook.
Literally, I got this job on Facebook.
Wow.
Yeah, I met him.
So many people are gonna be stoked.
But yeah, I mean, obviously I want to set it up to let you use it, but I haven't played in a while, so I want to play it too. Yeah, you guys want to take a shot for it?
Yeah, let's do it. You're not from California, huh?
No, I'm from Florida.
Tight.
Yeah, born and raised in Orlando. I used to work in Juke racing before I came here, and I only moved to California because I got an offer to job here at Hoonigan, and I mean, I've been here for 7 years now.
Now your whole life is here?
Yeah.
You're having a baby soon, right?
Yeah.
Congratulations, man.
Thank you.
Yeah, he's having a baby too.
Hey, congrats.
Tomorrow.
To you too.
Tomorrow,
What?
yeah.
Wait, what?
Yeah, that'll be tomorrow.
Damn, dude. Well,
Yeah.
congratulations.
I'm here for
Yeah, this is the Donut Garage. This is our little bakery. It's open Monday to Saturday, so anyone can come in there and check it out. I'll take you guys. Hey, can we go in the bakery real quick? We'll go in after. He's not taking this bakery. You gotta take him to the bakery.
Damn.
He acts hard when the camera's on.
Damn, you heard him, bro.
Yeah, that's the shipping area, and this is what we call the employee bay. Basically, you know, we work on our personal projects in here. Now we have that space to do a little more, but I'm kind of owning it. I'm like, nobody come in mine. It's mine. But yeah, that's John Chase. It's a 55 gasser, huge V8, supercharged, Hall-Tech power. It's going to be a nasty track car. He's actually building that to battle Finnegan from Road Crew.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, so they got a heads-up drag race. The loser has to shave their beard. You know, just a good competition, you know. But here, let's go into the main shop.
Come on, bro, keep up.
Yeah, so there's a show we do called Scumbag Labs. That's like a project for that. Where we'll build. You gotta watch it. It's easier to say just watch it. This is the Scumbug. They built this for the Baja. So we went to. I didn't go on that trip because I was pretty loaded up from Australia, but they took it down to Baja. Built this thing in like 2 or 3 weeks, just full bore. It's crazy. So it's a race Baja bug motor, king shocks, full tube, everything. They did a whole front half on this, cage interior. Yeah, there's full build videos of this.
Yeah, I think I watched.
Yeah, on our YouTube channel. This, honestly, it's crazy. I never thought I'd be into these, but this thing is sick. So,
Oh, hell yeah, dude.
I love the drag wing on it and the way the fender cuts are, just super aggressive. And the colorway is dope, you know?
Yeah.
And then this thing here, this used to be a Miata.
Yeah.
So this was a Miata. We tried to have fun with it because, you know, Miata rear wheel drive, you can slide around, but it was just the car sucked. Like it didn't drive good.
Yeah.
So we cut the body off of it, and then it drove amazing. You know, you lose 600 pounds and you got a race car, just like that.
That's it. Rips.
Yeah, oh yeah, no, it really, like, it's one of those things. I mean, no, we never waited. And then all the white is everything we added onto it. Yeah.
It's all Hoonigan.
We tried to make it the Miata fun. We crashed it a couple times. It just didn't drive well in the lot.
Yeah.
And you would think it would. You know, it's a small space, first gear. You should be able to shred, but yeah, that's what inspired us to cut the body.
Yeah.
So once we did that, it ripped.
The cool thing is that you can do everything yourself, like your sauce, anything.
Yeah. Dan and Brad, they're our main shop mechanics, and they're brilliant.
They're part of it.
Yeah, they're part of the show. People love them. get stuff done. They can have great build. Yeah. So Brad is the lead on this one, and Dan is the lead on this one. Just to give you an example of, but just how this is Brad, that's also Brad. So you know, it ranges. It ranges from some fun options. Yeah. So this little disco.
Is that whose car is this? Scotto.
Yeah, Scotto. This is one of his personal projects. Nice. Yeah, should. I mean, this motor is so new. It's crazy.
Yeah.
But definitely enough for just overland. Not necessarily towing heavy or anything like that, but I think it can still pull a decent amount with that. I mean, overseas they all tow. Yeah, it's a good old first time. I don't know if she took a little hit at Grange. I broke a transmission.
Oh wow.
Yeah, and then Micah Diaz, you know Micah
Yeah,
Diaz? Yeah, he was on my door, and he was on my door. Yeah, but it's not that big of a deal. It's just the door. It didn't get into the chassis. I could literally spend 30 minutes on this car, and it would look dope again. I'm just lazy. The worst thing here, this mirror, this didn't even break from the crash. This broke. I was seeing this tight space. I was squeezing it in here, and I hit the lift. And this is the only thing I'm mad about.
Human error?
I'm not mad about the door. I don't care about the door. I don't care about the transmission. These mirrors are so dope and kind of rare.
Yeah, hard to find.
Yeah, man. So I'm real bummed about this. I'm gonna super glue this.
Forza, man.
Yeah, no, this is
My Forza car.
this is my baby right here. This is my baby right here.
Florida plates.
Yeah, man. Registered, insured. No exhaust tickets for me. Yeah, she took a beating at the last event. That's a part of the game.
Yeah, no, definitely.
All a part of the game. I haven't even looked at it. I unloaded it. I threw it in here. Yeah, you guys are making me realize all the stuff I gotta do. And then this is also Scotto's RWB 911. I think it's like an Ondial turbo, so it's like a special model. I don't know much about these cars, but this thing rips. It's beautiful. It's just a classic. One of the classics.
Yeah, it's a classic car.
Classic Hoonigan car. Yeah, he's had this for 7 years, 6 years.
Yeah, I was just using this car in Forza the other day.
Yeah, Forza's fun. Yeah. This is definitely. I think this is one of the first RWBs in America alongside with Mark Archibald. Okay. Yeah, they both got theirs built at the same time. They were the first ones in America with the And then up here.
Yeah, so this is the right way to do that, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, the rolly.
Like a 77 Silver Shadow. It's got a Dodge SRT8 motor in it.
Wow.
Yeah, so it's like a 6.2 or something.
Yeah.
Something like that. They got it running. It was actually built for a TV show pilot.
Okay.
That never really went through, but I mean, we got a SRT powered
Rolls
Rolls Royce out of it. But they took it out once and broke the rear end, and then we haven't done anything with it since. I've been pushing. I want to drive this thing bad, man. I want to.
Yeah.
I'm trying to stunt.
Yeah.
Like, this
It's a boat.
This thing is.
You don't see that, especially with that motor.
Yeah, it's got a handbrake in it and everything, so it's pretty much ready.
Damn, check out the rubber too.
Yeah. Yeah, this thing is tight. And that purple car there is a car that Dan built on Knuckle Busters.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, so he basically tore the car down to nothing and built a all-around drift track. You know, if you want to go drifting, you can go drifting. You want to go contact, you go contact. It's
All around.
yeah. We had a great video series around it.
Yeah.
And then over here is the Napalm Nova, also Brian Scotto. It's got an aluminum 5x5 motor in it from motocross. So it's like 700 horsepower. And then the chassis is from Art Morrison. So it's basically like a touring chassis. So it's essentially like a Corvette.
Yeah.
Under a Nova. So you can go road race this thing. So we got some. Yeah, that one's Dan's personal car. And then the guy we're talking to earlier, man, yeah, that's his. He's just got nice little one here. Pop it in. You don't mind.
What's up with this? How come this thing ain't running?
I wish it was a thing. I wish it worked.
But that's bro.
Ben did a good job though, man. He's real meticulous. Real meticulous. He used to build like VWs and stuff. So you know those guys. They keep it clean. So 1JZ, Plasma Man metal. I forget the exhaust manifold. Like ribs. Oh yeah.
Everything's so clean and
So clean,
well
right?
routed.
Yeah, he took his time too. He bought the car February last year and just slowly got everything he needed to put it together, and now it's pretty much on fire. So
Yeah, definitely.
yeah,
man.
yeah. Rye-wire did all the wiring on it and stuff. Bisimoto tuned it.
Okay.
Yeah, so I mean he's got all the right pieces, except for that.
Hood lines up.
Yeah, no. So 6 or 7 years ago at Juke Racing, I was really into making videos and making content around drifting and things like that. And that wasn't the same direction they were going at the time. It's something that I saw, and Hoonigan at the time was looking for somebody to make videos and run social media and be the grassroots voice of everything, you know, that they're doing.
On a street level.
Right, and so they saw that I was doing that on my own, and Scotto reached out to me on Facebook. And
Facebook is
Yeah.
where it, so it happened on Facebook.
literally, I got this job on Facebook.
Wow.
Yeah, I met him.
So many people are gonna be stoked.
I met Scotto.
Direct messaging us on
Nah.
Facebook.
Well, we
Ready to go?
the brand didn't message me. Scotto directly messaged me because I'd met him once at a party, but I don't remember because we were both drunk. But we became Facebook friends, and then we hung out.
So
a couple
you added
times.
each other drunken
Yeah.
Facebook ad friend
Yep.
request.
And,
Sick.
And then we partied at SEMA one year because they invited me to Hoonigan's
Yeah.
SEMA party, and then they just loved what I was doing, so he hit me up and he said, "Hey, when you moving to California?" And I said, "When you giving me a job?" And boom, you know, 6 months later, I moved to California, literally packed everything into I had an IS350 at the time.
Yeah.
I took everything I could fit in it, drove here. Never went back. Mhm.
Now you're about to have a family. And
Yeah,
wow.
Planting my roots.
Cali life, there you
Planting
go.
my roots.
Yeah.
Me right here. Gymkhana 10 was actually edited in that room right there.
Can we see?
Yeah. Yeah.
Show us.
Did you pick out some stuff?
Yeah, I got yeah, absolutely. Yeah, dude. Definitely.
Yeah, believe it or not, somebody did a Gymkhana 10. That is right here.
This little room here.
Nice little editing bay. So basically the editor sits back there, does his thing, and Scotto or the director of any big project will hang out here, you know, and they make changes together with the big
Wow.
Sick, man.
Yeah. So.
Awesome.
And then the room next to it is the backup, you know, editing bay. So if
Yeah.
there are two big projects going on at the same time, they both can be in motion without.
So this is where it's like everybody kind of unwinds while they're editing.
Yeah,
kinda.
yeah. So, well, we also edit back there too. But
Yeah.
That's where everyone.
That's like staff.
Yeah.
Got it. This is awesome.
Nice little base. It's crazy to believe, you know, we've been here for 3 or 4 years now, and
Wow.
already outgrown it. So, but it's been a blessing to come to this company. I was the 4th employee.
Really?
Yeah, I was the 4th employee, and to see it now, we have 30 or so people in this building at all times, you know.
That's beautiful.
And then when we have big projects like Gymkhana, we'll have like 60 people.
Yeah, it'll be more, yeah.
Yeah, you know, so it's pretty crazy.